How to fix Secret of Magia is crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to the library, right click on your game, open up the properties window, and then in installed files, click on this button to verify the game files and wait for the process to finish. Now, once this is done, you want to go back to the General tab, and under Launch Options, you want to add this command, -dx11 without any spaces. Then you can close this window. Next, you will need to open up your GPU to make sure that you have the latest updates. So if you have an NVIDIA or GeForce GPU, you will need to open up your browser, search for NVIDIA app, and download and install it. Now once you install it, you want to go to the drivers category or tab, and then select Game Ready driver and make sure to download the latest available driver and install it on your system. And while this is installing, you want to open up your browser again and search for Redist, like this, and then click on the first link. Now you want to scroll down and download and install both of these redistributables, 86 and 64. Install both of them. And once you finish installing them, this will require restarting your computer. So you can basically restart after both the GPU update and the redistributables are installed. And after the restart, you will need to open up Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you can launch the game again, and that should fix the crashing issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.